A gaming mouse mat, but not any gaming mouse mat. Hi guys, Retro Tech Ralph here, another unboxing video for you. This time it's a Titan Wolf Alpha Lighting RGB gaming mousepad. This is 900mm by 40mm, which in normal terms is almost a meter by almost half a meter. Let's get you on a different scale. Yep, it's 40 centimeters in width, well, in depth when it's actually on, so that's like just shy of 16 inch if you want to be that way. 900 is just over, well, just under 35.5 inch. Okay, so that's that out in the way. Why do I want one of these? One, I have a mouse. Two, I hated those little tiny little piddly little mouse mats you used to get. So what I have in the house at the moment is a nice big mouse mat, which is probably, I think it's bigger than this area that I've got here. I mean, you're basically attached to a bottom of a cupboard, and the width of what you can see is about there. So 87 centimeters wide by, if you get it up to the front of here, yeah, it's not far off what this thing actually would be able to cover. But I'd like to be able to have this on the desk inside the office, covering whatever on the desk bit, and then I can have the mouse wherever I want it. The keyboard can be over here, the keyboard can be over there, mouse over here. It's easy. So I've had one of these for a while, however I haven't had this one. Now this was from Amazon, looks like that's the code number for it, yada yada, off you go. Go get one if you want. If not, oh, it's good, bought, got in May, apparently May last year. This will be 2022 video. So let's get inside. Usual things on the back of it. It's high speed design. What? Slip resistant, LED color. So it's not I don't think it's RGBW. I think it's just standard RGB. Perfect control and precision. It's a mouse mat. It's simple as it's a mouse mat, but will give me a little bit extra lighting in the house. I do have a Titan Wolf one in there at the minute, but it's a standard, everyday, nothing special mouse mat. No instructions. No, nothing in there. So that's over there. Again, this is a black mouse mat. And in the corner here, we have a USB socket there, and we have something to tie in the USB cable in with, which is actually inside it. I was actually worrying there was no instructions. That's on the inside of here as well. So you have a nice braided, right-angled one. Ooh, I might not use that. I might use that on something else. So that rolls out to beyond where we're going on here. So yes, there we go. It's just a black, plain black mouse mat. Okay, thank you very much for watching. Bye bye now. Right, without that, let's try something, shall we? Titan Wolf come in with the box, the user manual. I don't think there should be much to this. Instructions, RGB gaming, press and hold the on button, which is there. Okay, it doesn't. Press changes variety of various of colours and modes. So we'll get onto this in a few moments. That's it in different languages. Yes, fine. And happy? Go to there. The German company, fine. I like German design. They are very, very efficient, even if they will say so themselves. You want to tell them it's not very good. If it is good, then keep playing. Enjoy your product. And I thought they might have said, if it's really good, then yeah, send us something free, a bit nice. So I'm going to turn this around for a second, because everything powered wise on the USB is to my right hand side and to your right hand side. So let's get this cable out. So standard USB goes into the socket. We'll wrap around. It's standard USB micro, so I can actually put that in and then wrap that around to be more secure, but I can do that when it's actually in the office. So that's actually a tricky one to get in there. Something's not, it's the cable there that it's pushing up against. So I do need to get that in and around and under. Okay, that just holds the cable in just in case there's any problems. standard USB. I have power over here, and then on it comes. And then off go all the lights. In fact, yes, there we go. That's not focusing well, that doesn't enjoy this. Okay, so let's get this bottom corner on, shall we? It's gone yellow, blue. Ah, okay, that went red over here a second ago. Is that coming round? It is as well. Yeah, that is coming round. So it's a lot more complex than I thought. I thought it'd be just a couple of LEDs that were around this. But it's not, it will actually do a circuit around. That's the opposite way around. Just going that way. That just does red. Oh, no, it doesn't. It's solid colours, but it's a different blend between, because I can't describe it because it keeps changing. Again, that's off. So, press, oh no, that wasn't. I did press it though, unfortunately. So we have almost a white here. That's not bad at all. It blends into... Actually, we could see a bit better on here, can't we? That's quite good. I can actually flex this as well. Okay, let's show this top part. Button. Is that all red? I know somebody would like that colour. All blue. That's usually me. Green. So you got your standards. I mean, white isn't exactly white, but it is somehow. There's got to be more than just. I can see an LED in there and an LED in there, but how does it do the colours going round? Orange to green on the bottom, green on the top. There's got to be fibre optics going through this, because I've got. It wasn't me breaking that. That's just flickering between different colours. I'm actually quite impressed, unless it's the case of if there's fibre optics or something going around here, you've got a red and a green, or a green and a blue, and they swap around, and the way that it gets closer to the other side is actually the merging point of the two colours. So let's have a look on this side here. It's more of a whiter over here, but actually I thought there was something higher lit up on there. That's just really good. It's got good rubber backing on it, good neoprene backing on this as well. It's actually pretty going to stick to everything. These things have to be stored rolled up anyway, but they will go flat pretty much quite quickly. Which of itself, that corner is just sticking up a little bit, but it will flatten itself down. I quite like that. And to turn it off, I assume you press and hold. Off. Done. Okay. Pretty cool. I can bring this up to the computer. I can bring it to any USB power source. I can do what I want with it. Got dirt on from the desk already, but that's going to get a lot more dirt underneath it, I'm sure, in the next few minutes when I fit this on the computer. So, yeah, made in China, shame. Designed in Germany, but China are pretty good at making stuff to the specifications of the manufacturer. I mean, a lot of stuff is going to China to be built lately, which is good for them. Really good for them. It's just not very good for our economy, to be honest. But that's a debate for another day. So there we go. I'll put this back into the screen. That is the Titan Wolf lighting gaming pad. The reason for having something this big, it's because I just like to cover the entire area of the desk. That's why I have these mats on here. It covers everything and looks pretty uniform and quite neat. And having the lights on the side as well does also look quite neat. So I like that. That's going on with the keyboard and with the mouse that I've already got. So that's pretty good. And I'll be able to game no end quite easily. So again, thanks a lot for watching. Please like and subscribe. Follow me on social media. Send me a message in the comments. Send me something if you want. If you've got one of these that you don't really like and you want me to have a look at it, fine, send it in. If you've got something that's broken, please, anything, everything. I do so much stuff, like the tech stuff, the Trek stuff, anything and everything, please get in touch and I'll gratefully receive everything you want. So with that in mind, thanks for watching. I'll see you in another video. Bye for now.